He told my mom that he wasn't going to go to medical school anymore. He was going to go to Poland to build cars. And my mom said, "You're crazy." Well, 30 years later, we've done over 1,000 of them.
Wow. So he basically just flew to Poland on a whim.
Pretty much, he took a little toy model of a Cobra and a Polish-English dictionary, and he left.
Wow. So how was the experience, describing from your dad, kind of building that first car?
The first car took a very long time. You got to teach a lot of new things to new people, and especially in a language that he didn't speak yet. And one of his biggest successes was taking a stick and actually drawing lines in the dirt, drawing pictures in the dirt about how he wanted a particular part made. And so he got to work with some of the most phenomenal Polish craftsmen back in the day, who could take machines that were horrible machines, horrible Soviet-style machines that were not accurate, and make something beautiful out of them. So the learning curve was a bit extreme, but it was a dream, and man, he fought for it.